Now, Netflix, they fit in to a certain extent, and they are reportedly testing a new service called N+. You know everybody's got to have a plus, right?
Yes.
You can't not have a plus. We're about to launch Lou Later Plus.
Yeah.
You didn't know that. I just let you know right now.
Okay.
It's all kinds of special... You can't just shake your head and have me shut up. You know that, right?
Yeah.
I got to at least pretend here for a second. What would happen on Lou Later Plus? Behind the scenes.
We don't do that.
Yes, behind the scenes.
What?
You get
First I've ever heard of it.
exclusive watch parties and Q&As. I mean, you know how these things go, Will.
Yeah.
It's all the extra stuff. That's what they do. That's
Sure,
what
yeah.
plus means.
Yeah.
We could, it's pizza parties. We have pizza parties with the
What do you mean?
with the Lou Later Plus subscribers.
Oh,
We sit around and eat pizza.
sure. Okay. Yeah.
You
Down
wouldn't,
with pizza.
you wouldn't pay for that?
I would.
I'll pay for the pizza. Don't worry. Here's what they say it could include: N+. Playlists, behind the scenes production info, and podcasts. Because we need another place to go for podcasts. Listen to this, okay? Netflix, and this is completely early stages right here. So it may never come to reality, but they are surveying their customers about the potential for this new service. It will be an online space where you can learn more about Netflix shows and things related to them. So maybe the fandom around it too. You
Yes.
can imagine like when a show ends and people want to know everything about the next production, the next season.
Yeah.
What's going on? And so you go to the N+ community and you get to chat, about your enthusiasm around a particular show. You must have felt that way about a show at one time in your life. I mean, you used to have these parties, real life parties with the Game of Thrones. You were getting together with other people.
I have. Yes. They were great. They were fun. And
Can you explain one of these parties to me?
well, there's popcorn involved.
Okay.
A couple of friends,
Go on.
dim lights,
Easy.
and one giant TV.
Well, that's important. I mean, for a watch party, you need that part.
What we would
Wait.
like to-
One second.
yeah.
One second. My bad. I just need to know this one detail.
Sure.
Is talking allowed during the actual show?
Absolutely not. No, you get kicked out.
And it's well established.
Yes.
Okay, so it's not like a
Except
sport.
for like I guess commercials, obviously.
No, you were watching Game of Thrones, no commercials.
Was there?
No. What
I don't remember.
do you mean? It's HBO.
I guess not, right?
God, no.
I don't remember. It's been a while.
But like sporting events, on the other hand, there's chatter.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, and just saying, because normally you get together to watch sporting events, it's a bit, well, for myself, I never did a watch party for a TV show. Mm-hmm. So,
But you know what it is, though? We have a preamble before and after.
talk
Then, yeah, when the show starts, everyone is zipped.
before
Yeah.
about what's going to happen, what happened on the previous episode, what might happen this episode.
Yeah.
You talk after about what just happened, what's going to happen in the next episode.
Of course.
When you get together again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But also, there's usually like a preview after the show ends or the episode. And then that gets talked about.
Yeah.
And that would be exclusive content, I guess, if you just keep tuning in.
It's an unbelievable life you lead. You know that?
Well, I think this is a great idea for Netflix.
Okay.
Right? Because they have a lot of originals. And they can have like behind the scenes
Mm-hmm.
interviews with the actors and actresses. Kind of cool.
How about this to go a step further?
Eh.
N+ could even be a way for audiences to learn about a planned show pre-production and influence its development with feedback before filming has started.
Ooh. Do you want to do that?
What do you mean? Everybody was mad about the way Game of Thrones ended. Everyone was screaming and yelling.
Yeah.
And
I guess so.
And I don't know, because if I'm a filmmaker or if I'm a showmaker, I don't want to hear all this chatter.
Yeah.
Do
I
this,
guess
do that.
at one point, if you're like the creator of the show, director or whatever, someone who's involved, it's like you don't want too many hands into the project.
What if it was like this though? You're an M Plus member, and then it's like we're filming the next season of the show, and we're considering two different geographies for where to shoot it, and it's only two options, and it's a vote for the best members. That's kind of cool. You feel like you influenced something, but creatively, whoever was making it was happy with either of those options.
Yeah, I guess big decisions would be kind of cool.
Yeah.
Little micro decisions.
No. I'll get out of here with all that.
A little too much.
Anyway, this is just a survey at the moment. Whether or not it actually happens remains to be seen, but it's an interesting thing to think about, being involved in your content in that type of way. And plus,